kids, today we're going to be using 4 trucks and they're going to be in boats on the water today, on the muddy water. So this is a small boat which probably can only hold 1 truck because it's only like a little bent up tray boat, and this big boat might hold more than 4. But if we put 1 in here, there will be 3 on here. Let's start from here to all the way here, kids. So we're gonna open up the first truck. It's Velociraptor. It's Series 40, and it's green and blue. He's gonna open it now. Oh, whew. Okay, kids. We got our first truck out.
It's a Velociraptor.
So it has a blue and green body, black chassis, gray suspension, blue rims, and black tires. Wow, that looks cool, kids.
Let's go to the next truck.
And it has a black engine. Let's send him off into the water. Homemade boats. That's not working. Let's get a little push. Now it's out in the ocean. Push it, Tommy. Give it a little push. Whoop! It's kind of like messing the boat up. Yay! Woohoo!
I am here.
But the water doesn't go forever. Okay, kids, let's get our next truck. Hey, no, you're gonna sink the truck! Ah! Now it's a messed up boat. Kids, this truck is now wet. And bye-bye boats. Let's open up our next truck.
This one is grave digger.
Yep, grave digger. There's no series, nothing. Let's open this. We have the Fire and Ice grave digger. It has a blue and red body, gray chassis, black suspension, gray engine, and blue and red tires and blue and red rims. That the boat's messed up. It's definitely not going to go. Let's hope the truck's not wet. It's still wet, but whatever. Let's send them out. Woohoo! Okay, kids, let's open our next truck. The next truck is a Megalodon. And kids, look, here's the other trucks. Series 37, kids. Let's open this up. Okay, that Megalodon, it's all red. Oh wait, kids, one time we had an El Toro Loco that was like this. And I had an El Toro Loco that was like that, and I smelled it just like this. Yeah, it smells kind of weird. It said sweet treats on there, which means it probably has that weird smell. Probably that's why. So it has a red body, yellow chassis, blue suspension, yellow engine, red tires and red rims, which are see-through. Okay, time to join the crowd. One. Okay, the last truck is Max D, Series 3039. So it has an orange body, orange chassis, orange engine, pink suspension, black rims, and orange tires. You gotta put it on the party! Let's give him a push.